Welcome to Crystal Wolf Cuisine. We're bringing you a dish that's simple, satisfying, and sure to impress. And who better to guide us through the chaos of trying to show off than Big Trizzy. On the menu today, sirloin tip with sweet potato and greens. Let's dive in. First, you want to set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius fan force. Here are the ingredients you'll need: olive oil, oregano, butter, pesto, that's it, Trizzy, nice and gently, your steak, zucchini, ooh, yep, that's better, keep it PG, onion, garlic, too close, capsicum, spinach, and a lemon. Now, on to our first element, the sweet potato. Thin, even slices are key here. Toss them with olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Make sure every piece gets a little love. Into the oven they go, 200 degrees Celsius, as I mentioned. Check back in around 25 minutes. And no peeking, Trizzy. Next, we're going to get the garlic and the onion ready. So you're going to want to peel and chop both of those. Yeah, it's actually not very hard, but Trizzy's making it look like a big deal. You're also going to want to slice the lemon into wedges, as this guy has done. Next, the greens. You're going to want to slice the capsicum into thin strips and cut the zucchini into semi-circles. A quick saute in olive oil until they're tender. Ooh, that was actually kind of nice. Next, add the spinach to the bowl with the cooked greens, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It should have a bit of a zest, but not a sour kick. Next, the steak. You're going to want to season it on all sides and set your hot plate to high heat. A good sear makes all the difference. Quickly on each side, no more than 30 seconds to a minute. You're looking for a nice solid crust. Then onto another tray and into the oven for 15 minutes for rare. Probably around 20 if you want medium rare. Once it's done, let it rest under foil. Remember, a rested steak is a happy steak. Next, you're going to want to make your pesto sauce. You add your butter and a bit of olive oil to your pan at medium-high heat, and then you throw in your finely chopped onion. Cook it until tender, around 4 minutes should do it. Then you add the garlic and cook for just about a minute until you get that nice aroma. Then take the pan off the heat and stir in your pesto. And look at that. Magic. Add the greens and fan out the beef. Precision is key, unless you're Trizzy, in which case chaos is a viable art form. A drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon can elevate the greens. Look at that. Now it's fancy. And that's it. There you have it. A sirloin tip with sweet potato and greens. Proof that good food doesn't need to be complicated. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and don't forget, there's always room for a little chaos in the kitchen.